Good morning, guys. We are here for video number 3 in Mexico City. We're on our way to grab, you know what our favorite is, our bakery and coffee. Apologies for the no video last week. I was a bit sick and in bed for 6 days, but we're back, so let's go. So I've got French toast with cream cheese, bacon and a hard poached egg with pumpkin flowers. But there's also like I think there's a drizzle of like maple syrup or something, but it's really delicious.
Okay, so I got a grilled ham and cheese with a poached egg on the top, and I believe it might have a pesto sauce there. So I didn't get a lot of cheese in that bite, but that definitely is a pesto sauce.
Is it good?
And the sauce is really fresh.
Nice.
It's really fresh.
It looks fresh.
So we don't have any cheese though. But yeah, the flavours are very nice.
Okay guys, so we've just finished getting breakfast. We actually had breakfast there. And now we're on our way to Torre Latino building. So yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so we've made it to, what is this place called? The Torre Latino building, which provides a lookout of Mexico City. Pretty spectacular, hey?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
We've come to the very top. What do you think, Andrew?
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it costs us 160 pesos to get to the top for 2 adults, total each. Yeah, each. It's amazing. Like, I love that you can see the mountains surrounding. Just a very hazy day today, unfortunately, but pretty cool view nonetheless. This viewpoint also was the tallest building in Mexico when it started construction in 1956, all the way through to 1972, I think it was, or in the 70s at least. I love that you can get views of so many like buildings, especially like the Palace of Beautiful Arts, which is just below us. The parks.
Chipotle Park too. You can see how big it is. Well, it's actually, you can see like a quarter of it because there's buildings in the way, but you still get an idea of how huge it is.
Yeah, I'm definitely getting like Central Park, like New York City vibes when you look out to Chipotle Park with the buildings in front of it. Definitely Manhattan vibes up. But yeah, really cool up here. I recommend add this to your Mexico City list. Like if you're only here for a few days, you got to add this to your spot.
Yeah, for $7 US, it's worth coming up.
Yeah, worth it. Okay, so now we finished at the lookout point. We are now going to the Museum of Popular Art. Given that it is a bit of a overcast, wet day, this is the perfect activity to do. So let's go. So this building here is considered to be the second most important Art Deco building in Mexico City. It's really quite impressive, actually. I like it. So we were told to come downstairs to level 2. We literally walked in on people filming. So they've told us to come back and do that section later. But we're just walking in this part here. It's really quite open and beautiful. So the museum here opened in 2006 and it also promotes and preserves the Mexican folk art. And just seeing the pieces here, it's just really quite incredible as well. All the detail. This here is all beads. That's incredible.
This was the first ever Where's Wally of the 1500s.
Okay guys, so we just finished at the Museum of Popular Art. Now we're going to our next spot, which is another museum, but I'm not going to tell you until I get there. So let's go. So we are currently in the Museum of Chocolate here in Mexico City, and it's quite a surprise just to see everything. A lot of it's in Spanish, so if you have a translator, it'll be helpful for you, but we're not bothering. But it's just really cool to just walk around and see everything. I'd recommend this place too. Full of chocolate. I'm in my happy place. We've come to the Museum of Chocolate, and not too bad. It's small. It's not like a normal museum at all, but we have a hot chocolate here in front of us, and then we have little chocolates here to try. And of course, we couldn't help ourselves. We have 2 blocks. This is a lavender flavor one. I'm going to try this one first. It's different. I'm not really getting much of the lavender flavour actually. Okay, and this is just like a plain cocoa one. Well done. That's pretty good. This is a pistachio. Not a fan. I'm not really getting much of this pistachio flavour. It tastes more like medicine. And then the best for last, brownie, because I mean, who doesn't love brownies? It's nice, but I'm not getting a very over the top brownie flavour. Nice though.
The purple one was which one?
That's the lavender.
That's the lavender one? Actually, I like that.
You do? Okay. The blue one was the cocoa.
So it's the cocoa?
Yeah. That's probably my favourite out of all of them.
The cocoa's your favourite?
Yeah.
That's nice. You get the coconut flavour.
Yeah.
Afterwards. Yeah, I can definitely taste coconut in there.
Pistachio.
And this is a pistachio
flavour.
Which you didn't like?
No, I didn't like it. Was not a fan. Do you get pistachio? I can't say it now. You do?
Mm-hmm.
I couldn't.
It does have a little bit of that medicine taste, but I actually find it really nice. Okay. So I really enjoyed it.
And then that was the brownie.
This is funny because you're the chocolate person. Yeah. And I'm not. But you don't like him and I do. And so this is the brownie, and this is your favourite, is it?
No, the cocoa one was the blue one.
Is your second favourite?
Yes, this is my second favourite. And then I go lavender and then pistachio.
At the very end, I get a brownie flavour, but it's a little bit subtle.
Yeah.
And then what does this say?
It says
FU. The hot chocolate actually gets better after the chocolate.
Yeah. I actually don't mind it.
Okay, I'm going to get the lighter one first. And this is just a plain white chocolate, is it?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Some of the best white chocolate you've had, or?
Yeah, it's different. It's quite nice. It's different to the West. It's not like sickening sweet. It is quite nice and smooth and very mellow. Similar to the hot coffee here as well. The hot chocolate's like very mellow. It's not like in your face, sickly sweet.
No.
And that's also a really nice chocolate too. Same thing. It's not sickly sweet. It's like a really mild, very nice chocolate. Very creamy.
Which is your favourite out of those two?
Probably the
What?
chocolate, which is weird because I'm normally like a white chocolate guy.
Person. What? I'm surprised by that, babe.
And then out of the first four that we had, I'd probably say the lavender was my favourite. The lavender.
Okay, I'm gonna try the white first. I'm not a huge white chocolate person. Definitely not as rich as the stuff at home. Bad, not bad. Yeah, that's good. That's really good. Like it definitely has more of like an earthier taste to it.
We've just finished at the Museum of Chocolate and now we're on our way to lunch, which isn't far from here, so let's go eat food.
We've just come to, what's the place called? Is it Commodore Lucerna? Lucerna, okay. Commodore Lucerna. It is, there's a few little stalls inside. It's quite cool. We're sitting outside because, you know, we want the fresh air. But you probably recognize this street art. This is one of the reasons why I want to come here, because I love the street art. Okay guys, we just got our food. It looks really good. Andrew got a pulled pork hot dog? Is that what that is?
That's pulled pork.
Yep. I got a Philly cheesesteak. We got some fries. Very nice. And then we got a cocktail to share. It's called the Hulk. So I'm hoping it gives me green powers, you know. But I'm gonna try it. Ooh. Yeah, that's really good. So that was Mezcal Union, cucumber, kiwi, and melon, I think. Not bad. Philly cheesesteak. Not bad, very greasy.
So I got the pulled pork hot dog, which looks really good, and this mezcal cocktail drink that we got is very nice. Krista's first time having mezcal here in a cocktail, so I hope she liked it, but I think that one's very nice. As far as the food goes, this pork is really tender and really nice. I think there's some cabbage at the bottom underneath it, but the pulled pork is really nice. Really big chunks and it just falls apart in your mouth. Very, very impressed.
Hey guys, so I forgot to end the video yesterday, but thanks again for watching. Remember to subscribe and like the video. Also, subscribe to Andrew's channel. He's got some pretty cool videos on his. And also, if you want to follow me around, because I can't film everything in my videos, follow me on my Instagram. It's the Hotophile Wanderer. No spaces, just how it is here on YouTube. And yeah, thanks again for watching. Bye.